Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival, and today I just wanted to talk about getting your eyes fixed. I saw a video the other day on Viking preparedness, Pastor Joe Fox. He's got a great channel. You guys should definitely go check out his channel. And he was just talking about how he, about 4 months ago, had his eyes fixed. And I thought that I would throw in my 2 cents on this. Because I've also had my eyes done. I used to wear glasses from the time I was in 3rd grade or so. I think I needed them. And it was about 2013, I think, about 5 years ago now that I got my eyes fixed. And I, like Pastor Joe Fox, had the PRK done instead of the LASIK. And it wasn't really a personal choice for me because I didn't at the time. I didn't probably know enough of the difference between the two to really know, but just a real quick rundown. The LASIK, I guess, is when they kind of cut a slit in your eye and then they'll do whatever they're going to do, and then they put that little flap back down. And with the PRK, they actually shape the outside of your lens with the laser itself, so you don't ever actually have any cuts or anything like that into your eye. And I have had outstanding results. I have had very, very few side effects. When it was first done, there was probably 2 or 3 days that I had a lot of light sensitivity, and I really couldn't do much unless I had on, you know, some really good like sunglasses and stuff. I could see pretty clear the next day, an improvement of what my vision was. I think my vision was, it was only like 60 or 80 or something. It wasn't terrible, but it was enough that it had gotten to the point where I needed to have him to drive. So whatever that limit is. And the guy who did mine was Dr. Schlichtemeyer in Omaha, and he is an ex-Olympic shooter. And I told him, I said, hey man, I shoot a lot of stuff too. I said, I don't know if you can even do this, but if you could tweak it so that I have really good distance vision, that would be awesome. I don't know if you can or not. He goes, well, I'll see what I can do. He probably didn't do anything, but I came out with vision that was, what, 20/10. So I can see at 20 feet what people with average vision can see at 10 feet. And it's still that way 5 years later. I can see, I test it with my sons and my wife and all that, you know, in the car all the time, and I literally can read road signs couple of 100 meters or more before, you know, it ever becomes visible to them. So it really has made an amazing difference. And from a prepping perspective, it's great because I don't have to worry about glasses. I can see things farther away. I can focus clear out. And, you know, from a security perspective, that alone is wonderful. But just not having to worry about glasses getting broken and having extra pairs and all that kind of stuff, it was totally worth the money. When I did it back then, it was about $2,000 per eye. I think it's reduced down to like $1,500 or so now. So I would highly recommend that you guys check that out. It's really been wonderful for me. The other thing, the only downsides that I have had from it is when I wake up in the morning, I'll have, you know what like regular sleep is, right? But it's not like regular sleep. I don't get a lot of it, but it's almost like a hard crystal or something. I can't even really explain it, but it's like sleep, but it's just a little bit more, just a little bit harder. And if I don't wipe it out, like kind of to the side, and it gets into my eye, I kind of got to get in the shower and take a shower to where it doesn't irritate my eyes. It's really nothing because it doesn't happen every day. It only happens occasionally, and you just wipe it out and it's gone. It's no big deal. Now, I don't know if that's a direct side effect of the PRK, but I never had it before the surgery, and I do have it now. So I'm just assuming that that's what it is. But other than that, I don't have any streaks, halos, any night vision problems, anything like that. I mean, I can't recommend it enough. So anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. Again, you guys go ahead and go check out Pastor Joe Fox's channel. It's called Viking Preparedness. And as always, I definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And thank you very much for those people who've been using the Amazon link. It's just amazon.com/shop reality survival. It doesn't cost you anything more, and it definitely helps out keeping our channel from having to do a Patreon account or anything like that. So thank you very much for using it. Anyway, guys, stay safe. We'll see you on another video here real quick.